Mr. and Mrs. Matubang, for raising a son like Ruel. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the family of your Dodong. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. And God bless everybody. Thank you so much. We may all be seated. As your host for tonight, myself is not enough to welcome you, but I really believe that this gentleman from our family must do the part. Would you please welcome this time to our dearest uncle to formally welcome us all and listen to his words of thanks. A big hand for Mr. Arnel Tito Donat Morales. Palakpakan po.
Isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo sa ika-18 kaarawan ng aking pamangkin na si Rachel. At very happy po kami and very appreciated po namin ang lahat ng pumunta, lalong-lalo yung mga galing sa malalayo from Mindanao, Visayas, and Metro Manila. Siyempre, from North Luzon. And siyempre, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa buong Team Kalingap and sa buong community ng Kalingap. And then, sa mga sumusuporta, TRFG family, Trusa family, RMM family, RFI family, ano ba, baka marami akong makalimutan. Siyempre sa lahat ng Rochelle, sa lahat ng Rochelle fans, sa lahat ng grupo ng Rochelle. And sa Darak with Rachel, ayan, thank you very much. And then sa grupo ni Ruel, ayan, thank you sa mga reactors na nandito. Welcome po sa ating lahat. At siyempre sa aming mga kaibigan, kina Kuya Red, kina Ate Lordy, ayan, kina Kalinga Prab, siyempre, at dito sila Kalinga Prab, ang K-Boys, ayan, thank you very much. Kina Aljon, thank you very much. And welcome po kayong lahat. And then, maging masaya po tayo ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
It's not all the time that we need to laugh, okay? But we need to strike a balance. Baby, you're 18. It is a whole different world. Ladies and gentlemen, setting her free, of course, is the father. May I have Mr. Rayson Morales this time to perform a very important tradition with his daughter, Rachel May. Let's give them a round of applause. Our dearest Rachel May is wearing her pair of, what do we have? Rubber shoes. Surprisingly, our Rachel is wearing rubber shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, the rubber shoes that she would always wear. And tonight, since she is now celebrating her 18th birthday, she is now ready to take on the real world. For us ladies, shoes have been the symbol that encourages, that encourage all, of course, the confidence that we need to walk through in this lifetime with so much joy, with so much appreciation and brave heart. And that is why we're having this very important tradition and ceremonies for dearest Rachel May, so that she would always have this confidence that whatever happens, might she fly as high as she could, and wherever she would fall, there would always be the family who would always catch her, no matter what. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the father and daughter a round of applause. Thank you. Story of a father who's actually making her daughter feel free to taste the real world. Thank you so much, Mr. Morales. For making her see the real world. Palagpakan naman po natin. Papa Rayson, you have an official, lady in the family. Thank you.
Back when I was a child,
dedicated to the mother of our dearest Rachel May. For all of us, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big hand on the dance floor. Palakpakan po.
and help me say stand right through the years. I was lost. If I could get another chance, another dance with her, I went on and on. How I love with my mother.
important on the dance floor. And who would have the next special dance? Please welcome is the brother, Mr. Ian Chris.